Discover It Student Cashback Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Discover It Student Cashback card is tailored for students, but its reward structure is surprisingly strong. Most people assume student cards are weak and offer minimal benefits. The surprising truth is that this card combines rotating high-earning categories, no annual fee, and Discover's unique first-year cashback match, making it highly valuable for students managing budgets. The card earns 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories like restaurants, Amazon.com, grocery stores, and gas stations up to the quarterly maximum after activation. All other purchases earn 1% cash back. You won't believe how much you can earn if you plan your spending around these categories. For example, 505% categories in a quarter can earn cash back. One of the most compelling features is the first-year cash back match. At the end of your first year, Discover doubles everything you've earned, giving students an incredible boost in rewards. There is also no annual fee, free FICO score tracking, and account alerts to help manage finances responsibly. In conclusion, the Discover It Student Cashback card is perfect for students who want to maximize rewards while learning to manage money. Its rotating categories, first-year match, and zero fees make it one of the most rewarding student credit cards available.